Hi friends, I'm Chirag. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to change the phone number on your Arattai application on your Android. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to change your phone number on your Arattai chat application on your mobile phone, just going to show in the video step-by-step guide. So first, step 4, click on the three dot option on the top. Then you just need to click on the setting option. After clicking on the setting option, you just need to click on the option called accounts. Click on the account option. Now in the top, you can find the option called change phone number. Click on the change phone number. Now all your cloud data including message, media, contact, etc. will be moved to the new number. So everything you already had in the chat will be moved to the new number. So and click on the next option. Now enter your new mobile number. So it will be sent as some verification code to verify your mobile number. After verification, your number will be changed. This is how you just change your mobile number on the Arattai chat application on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.